Day 3 out here in Florida for us, second day of the build. Had a pretty late night last night, but we're about to get started this morning. Brenton had to handle some business stuff this morning, so I'm gonna get started to button up some stuff on the car while we wait for Brenton to come out here, and we'll really get cracking on it. But we'll start just cleaning up kind of some of the stuff we did yesterday and making sure everything's perfect. Yeah, after that, then we're gonna go headers, full exhaust, dry shaft, diff brace, spark plugs, and time to tune it. So let's get to work.
Brenton has made it. He made it.
Made it?
Made it back. Back to the build.
I got up 8:30.
Yeah.
Begrudgingly.
Yeah.
A little groggy.
It was hard to wake up today.
Yeah, we got up probably about the same time, 8:30. Not easy.
Yeah. What up?
How's it going, man?
Good, dude.
This is so cool, man.
Good to see you, man. Looking good. What's different inside?
We went ahead and we did all the carbon fiber in there.
Oh shit.
We changed the steering wheel.
Okay.
The regular steering wheel, and then we did the carbon fiber on the interior there too.
Oh, I see.
The different mats.
Yeah. Very nice.
And then we went back to Ron's to do E85 after I got it from you guys.
Mm-hmm.
And after we did that, we went to a DSX blower, and then we ended up doing the red. The same thing as the caliper, same color, keep the theme the same, you know.
Sure.
We're gonna get it back on stock suspension, and once we do, we're looking to do in the 9s, being 9.8 car all day long.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we can. So,
dude,
changed my life, brother. Now I got a Corvette that's being built by Ron right now.
I saw that. Yeah.
You know what I mean? So yeah, it's created a monster, man.
Vengeance for life, right?
Yeah, for sure, man.
Yeah.
But I don't put too many miles on it. Ever since I got the car from you guys, I think I got 10,000 miles on it. You know what I mean? So,
yeah, that's really good.
Yeah, I don't put a lot of miles on the car.
It's been good, man. It's really busy. You know how it goes.
What?
Look who's here.
Mr. Olivera. How the hell are you, man? Hey, look at this guy.
Now I just keep on dumping money in cars.
That's Duke. He smiles.
Would you just look at that?
Would you just look at it?
We're here at Forza Tuning and Performance, working on the Demon, and we have the Cook's long tube headers and full exhaust that's about to go in the Demon. Cook's has been doing this for a long time, since 1962, one of the best at it. Full stainless exhaust, long tube headers with the green cats, full stainless system all the way down. You got the valves bolt on so you don't have any warning lights, and then going all the way back, straight through mufflers to the black tips. And this thing is gonna sound so insane when we get to start it up for the first time. I can't wait to hear it, so let's get this in the car.
one of the last things we got to put on is this differential brace. Mentioned this earlier in the build. This is Performance Development's 2-piece diff brace. They call it the DIRS brace. By far the best differential brace on the market. They make them for Challenger, Charger, Trackhawk. So we'll just do a little unboxing here real quick. Pretty simple concept. He has one piece that bolts strictly to the differential housing, which causes it to be dramatically more rigid, stronger, which is this piece. So you take out some of the stock bolts, you put this on, so this is completely independently bracing the differential case itself. This piece basically bolts to the subframe, and this is the same stock bushing that's in the differential housing itself. So what he does is he locates a third one further down, so it makes like a triangle, like a flat board versus like a box, you know, trying to bend a box. So simple concept, but highly effective. So basically this bolts on the differential, this is on the subframe. You have a through bolt through here, so it does allow a little bit of give. It's not a solid mount. So there's a couple reasons, number one, why you'd want a brace like this. There's a lot of horror stories about the differential cases breaking, and they do for a couple of reasons. Number one is obviously the lack of a brace. The differential case itself is taking the full load of the ring gear, or the pinion gear, trying to climb the ring gear. Some other contributing factors like wheel hop, which is why we do the control arms in the back. You know, it's the tire skipping off the ground, so it provides like a harsh shock down the drive line. That can break it. So we'll put it on the car and show you how it works.
Day 2 of assembly is in the books. We're creeping up on 3 a.m. All we have left to do is install the tune in the morning, and then Brenton's gonna turn the power up. What do you think it's gonna put down?
Should put down around 840 wheel, so 1,000 crank. It's on 93 octane, so should be pretty good.
Safe to say, this demon's ready to terrorize the streets. All we gotta do is flash the tune, and we're gonna hit it hard in the morning.